the block. They just wanna kumbaya, nah.
It's welcome, flowers grow.
And I don't want to wait around Monday, so it's fucking.
We chilling.
Getting rid of the car. I wasted half the day.
We chilling.
They did my oil change before.
We gotta go.
You did my oil change. Why couldn't you do?
Why is
I use old school jacks.
What?
Because of the weight.
I
don't know. It's an
Why? They don't want to use jacks. They want to use libs. Some want to use libs. They don't want to bend down. Lazy ass.
Where we're going? We going. I'm chill. I'm tired. I'm tired. Well, yeah, it's spring, and it's like the middle of spring.
I'm about to kill them all.
Whoa. Yo, you can't do that to Mother Nature.
I'm gonna get the other stuff to kill everything.
You cannot kill the Mother Nature.
I'm gonna get a whole bunch of different seeds, fertilizer that kills all the weed.
The Mother Nature. The Mother
Nature.
Nature.
Predator.
You know it's gonna go back because like
Predator. No, look at their yard. Their yard ain't got no weed. Ain't got no barely.
yeah, because they cut their grass 24/7. Yes, they do. It's you can see the line
Why
marks.
do you think you know everything?
It's not just cutting the grass.
You think you know everything?
Really?
It's fertilizer that kills weeds. Spray stuff.
And then adding fuller.
Why don't you like
Dandelions
dandelions?
are just weeds.
So we need fertilizer in our yard. Well, not in these bouquets.
I spread some fertilizer
You
on the
can make dandelions.
Walmart with me.
That was usable though. Don't we have to go to the rental place first? You've been
I'm gonna buy everyone they got.
wondering what things?
Orange creamsicle soda.
So good.
You really can yourself
Well, they got people in a year. Whoa, there's a 30 on the that.
quit. He's a brown, he's talking about, right?
It's 2020.
Look, I think that's
Was this place built in 2020? Was this UPS
brown.
built in 2020? Chat.
You can't see it on that angle.
Wait, it's 1930?
The black man probably that was on there.
Wait, the 1930?
Been there 30 years. That's probably how many years.
Oh,
I know.
30 years? That's so right, chat.
Not here for a minute.
There's 35 right there. It says Evans. You said who? No, there's still.
Should've slowed my roll, but instead I went too far. To me, I thought I had it all.
Go.
Till you up and left me, then I realized I made the wrong call. You keep on crying 'cause you just can't let it go. Had every right, baby, 'cause I was straight tripping.
So much
She
dirt.
turn around, baby. I need you back and my worth you forgiven. Everything I got to show you.
Fucking over an hour. They're doing other stuff, checking other stuff. How much you checking me in the car? I came in there for a brake change, not all this extra shit. Check the lid first.
What a bad life. So far down.
Meaning conquest. This answer is
Oh, look at Einstein. Oh, not the whole car stinks. Car stink.
It stinks because the exhaust.
Yes. I know every car. Every old car. That was old. Wait. Every old car
Now we're trying to save
Pipe.
the world by switching
exhaust.
things that won't pollute our air. We can get
Yeah, because the car is new.
You ready?
I've already heard this, bro. Who hasn't heard this? You haven't heard this? You wildin'. I wildin'. You wildin'. I can make myself look old. I can make myself look old.
About the wrong, that's his thing. I want to know
shit on their car. Straight through that. Isn't that G?
On air, it's Ryan Seacrest.
Yard maybe?
Right in front of the other two.
Hand on hip.
Ascot State
Other
is a lot more than
maybe front yard?
our heritage. This is Joe Jeffers, commercial lender in the 6th generation of the Scott banking family. And we've been dedicated to this community since eight. The benefits a locally owned community bank can offer you.
Need to take off on the ultimate getaway?
I'm ready to take off? That's a big truck.
Forward to Orlando. Fly nonstop from Abraham Lincoln County
Okay.
Airport and enjoy the battle for your chance to win. But hurry, this trip will be made for bags and breeze away.
Oh, I don't need this.
You like some dogs?
Yeah. How do I? Oh, wow. Oh, my, that's a big truck. This got some luxury to it. That's luxury, bro. Of course, they got cup holders. Well, everything you need. I make everything else clean but the front that. Oh. The windows are nasty. Silent. This is a perfect car to do road tripping. I got a good spot to lay down.
You gonna be riding on yourself?
We're not split. No. Silent. This is very. This is. No, this is the best rental car I've ever. This is like this is top 2 best rental cars I've ever been in. Why is there so much Ram? 3 Rams in a row. Oh my God. He's still in the parking lot? What is he doing? Why is he still in the parking lot? We already left, bro. We already left. But we in a rental. When you got push to start, you know that this car is newer. So much Rams. Every truck is like a Ram. What?
A little cheaper than most of it.
What, this one?
Than most Chevys and Fords.
Oh. This door handle is crazy. In half. Has to be. This has to be a 2024. Bro, red is better than blue. I don't care what anyone says. Red's way better than blue. This thing got some sound to it, yo! This is where Walmart is? Oh, yeah, because you go that way. So one day I'm chilling. Fights though. People gotta get out. People gotta get out. Mom? When she gets out? 7. What if she gets out a billion hours before you? A billion hours? Thing just bum me up. They got some springs on his wheels. I'm at swerve in a corner wall. I'm at swerve in a corner wall. 80. It feels like we going 40. What demon? Cause every time I wake up, what demon? We at 90. We going 90 miles per hour. If you wanted to, you can go 110 right now, but we kind of can't. Yo, this thing is the pepper stepper, the big stepper. This thing is a big stepper. How much room we got? We got so much room back here. Look at these door handles. This is the one I'm literally so worried about. Look at this. Some crazy thick door handles. I gotta grip it with my whole hand. Look at this. Every time you run over a little bump, I fly. Little bump. Little bump. She ain't know what to see. You seen behind her. Dad, what you think better, red or blue? What do you think is better, red or blue?
Red or blue?
Yes. Let's see if he's loyal.
Oh shit. Did I do that?
You closed him. I was like, yo, what's gonna happen? Bro. Okay. What's everything on here just a podcast?
Hold on, I'm in every fucking
Where's my phone at? Oh, my phone's at 40. I'm chilling. Turn on. I better not. What's this music? What do you mean?
Company practices are responsible in
Who, me? Sounds like what it sounds like when you turn.
It's like 68 maybe.
I know. I'm like,
It's really nice.
you said it's front when we get back.
Ones I like switch rotate between are
From what?
She has like an espresso one. There's like a
What, from Walmart?
chocolate bar, which I currently have on right now. Brown one. There's a blue one, and there's a. So I've been like rotating between those. But
Lincoln Park up next for you guys here on 103.3 WZ.
There's a soccer ball on there. They got some crazy keys. Look at this. Look how high this is.
I know.
I should probably see it higher right here. This is insane. I knew it.
Yeah, I knew it was 24. Me too.
You know this car is crazy when they have gears to turn with. Oh! I accidentally moved this girl back. How do I do that? How do I move this back? How do I move this back?
Up from the bottom by Lincoln Park here
How do I
on
move this boat back?
103.3 WZND. And unfortunately,
Do you know what
that
I'm
is
gonna
all
go
we
back?
have.
Oh, don't break it, bro. Calm down. Before you break something.
Well, we have to move it back.
No, you don't. Just leave it there. I don't want you breaking nothing.
Oh my. Oh! This door is so heavy. Bro, the wind is so hard, it was closing the door. This big dang tastes like. This big dang is. That's not.
Stairs do close, yeah.
It's luxury. Of course it closes it. Almost dropped my phone. Guess not. It just locks. Now we have Walmart. Buttons.
Looking at the chair.
What if that stop working?
The key?
Yeah.
Why would the key work?
What if it breaks off?
Then you're screwed.
Is this a different Walmart?
That's all I'm on yours.
Yo. Let's scoot around with that.
Oh, excuse me.
Yeah, look at the new prime. They don't got the thing I went in here. Why can't I never drink Red Bull? One lady. I'll find you. I'll break it. I'll buy it. Don't do it.
Come back here real quick.
What?
You can get candy here. Sour apple. You don't want that?
Dude, perfect. What if I don't want to? What if I don't want to? They didn't even make that case perfectly fine. I mean, whoa, no, I didn't say that. I didn't say that.
Why you want to go?
Because I want to go to Casey's. Oh, well, try all y'all in kickball.
You want to go to Casey's?
Okay, Casey's.
What do they got? What do they got?
The South Pass Kick Gum. Yeah, silent. And they also got Blue Raspberry. The Casey Blue Raspberry. It's their brand. It's their brand. If I see anything cool, I'm getting it. I'm not going to see nothing good, though. Just one more. It's not good. Do we need more toilet paper? Not.
Go see us.
What you standing here for? What's a poppy? What is the Minecraft movie show buns?
Got one of
Think we could get this cherry?
these things are cheap.
Can I get this?
No.
What? $2.
Go ahead.
finished organizing. Now chill, because now I'm not off track. And now just give me what you want to buy, and then I put it in there. Do it. 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 This is gonna be a long video, but who cares? At what? $34? How much you get paid today? You get paid $1,000 a day, but you have 30. I can need to buy some more shorts.
I make lots more shorts too. I can hold you.
They got mad kickballs. You said what? Just go self-checkout. What? Go self-checkout. Yeah. These take.
I'm not.
Okay, fine. I put it away. I put it away too. You know, go quick. You taking too long. Yeah, you bought like 15 cans. How many cans is that?
How many cans is it?
That was like 16 cans. $31 for singular cans? $31 for just cans. Actually, no, $29 because the Kool-Aid thing was 20.
Hey, hear me out, bro.
That sounds weird. Don't say open me.
Come on.
They detected it. It's in here.
No, I want to do it.
What?
For that.
I know more than you. I know more than you in cards, and I don't even
No, you
paper though.
Remember I could put a card in there. No. Skip the pack though. Oh, they like it. Come on, man. Are you lame?
Well, maybe you can't do that because you can't do that.
I'm lame, because all my lame.
Dang fool.
Put my receipt.
3 exclamation marks there.
They know
Really?
my phone number.
Because it could be connected to your thing. It could be connected.
I'm sorry. Okay. I'm gonna walk out. They ain't gonna get me.
You dropped the pedal. $10 for some flowers? Just busy. $10 for some flowers? See, tax is only 87 cents. I got only 87 tax. Same. It's an 87 tax. Flowers. Now I got 2 receipts. You going what? Almost did not. Oh, almost did not pay. Yes, you bought like 16. Oh, what? Little what? Like.
This way.
Bring your foot up here. Get over here.
Go this way. Get over here.
I am on this side. I'm on this side of you. Are you? I'm on this side of you. I'm on this side of you. Oh, I like that one. You still.
That's a lot. I did a
For what?
I kind of went over these.
You forgot that one singular pedal. That one was mad heavy. Get up on in front. This thing.
Diesel. Dumb diesel in there.
For no reason too.
Dumb diesel. For no reason.
Let's see the startup.
I went, wait. Why'd I buy all them?
Let's hear the startup.
Oh, my new truck. When mirrors fold up.
I don't even know when you're gonna get your show.
Me either, but hope it has It probably will be. Somewhere like that.
You got the
It'll be
jackpot.
brand new, it won't be old. Probably only have like, might have 0 miles on it. Probably have like 300, 400.
Jackpot. Yo. There's one can that's completely out of the bag. That was your coat.
Tell me when it goes green.
Shit. Okay, I'm gonna tell you. When you go.
I'm never gonna reach that one.
Oh, no, oh, no.
I think that'd be all right.
Now you got 2.
They're gonna have to be what they be. Okay, there's storage underneath. That's cool.
There is?
You can store stuff under here.
Look.
That's gonna fall as soon as I pull over. As soon as I pull off, it's gonna fling right back at you.
Maybe. Crazy red light. You could have had so much time.
What do you mean?
You could have had so much time to get
I
it.
know.
I can go back there and get it.
No, don't worry about
Why?
it. It's gonna be what it is.
Oh, that one might roll back.
It's going to roll.
Oh.
Told you.
I didn't know it was gonna leave that hard.
The energy will make you
I was gonna push on the gas.
but it's regular for me, yeah, that's for sure. The love and hate is definitely without a cure. All this talk is bitch made, thus on my lord. I kill them all before I let them kill my joy. I done been through it all, what you endure. It used to be fuck that nigga, but now it's cool. Fuck everybody, that's on my body. I watch him pander with the backhanded compliment. Lost who I am for rap motivation. Yeah, nigga. God, even when they say you ain't. Yeah, nigga. Keep your feelings out the way. Never let no one put smut up on your name. Yeah, nigga. Keep your head down and work like I do. But understand
Has an extra bass
everybody
to
ain't
it.
go like you. Yeah, nigga. If they say it's love, you been lied to. A couple rules of engagements, I'ma guide you. Riding in my GNX with Anita Baker and the team deck. This will be a sweet love. Fuck apologies, I wanna see you geeked up. Don't acknowledge me, then maybe we can say it's fair. Take
Dad, your seat is the odd one out. Mine don't do that.
Miss my uncle Lemaine, he said that he would kill me if I didn't make it. Now I'm possessed
I
by
got
a
the black
spirit
one.
and
You
they
got the
can't
good
take
one.
it. Used to bump the Carter 3, I held my rollie chain proud. Irony, I think my hard work let Lil Wayne down. Whatever though, call me crazy, everybody questionable. Turn me to an Eskimo, I drew the line in decimals. Snoop toasted, tailor made, I traded boys for edibles. I couldn't believe it, it was only right for me to let it go. Won a Super Bowl and I'm the only one, congratulate me. All these niggas agitated, I'm just glad to see your faces, quite frankly. Plenty artists, but they outdated. Old ass flows trying to convince me that you they favorite. This is not for lyricists, I swear it's not the sentiments. Fuck a double entendre, I want y'all to feel this shit. Old soul, bitch, I probably built them pyramids. Ducking strays when I rap battled in the nigger sense. Where you from? Not where I'm from. We all indigenous. Against all lies, I spiraled up for them dividends. Against all lies, I showed up as a gentleman. I done lost plenty friends, 16 to be specific. Put that on my kids' children. We gon' see the future first. They like that big trip, and I just want what I deserve. What bridge they done burned? All of them is over with. I'm doing what COVID did. They'll never get over it. Yeah, nigga, going up your rank. Know you a god, even when they say you ain't. Yeah, nigga, keep your feelings out the way. Never let no one put smut up on your name. Yeah, nigga, keep your head down and work like I do. But understand, everybody ain't gonna like you. Niggas from my city couldn't entertain no boy. Promising bank transactions and even Bitcoin. I never piece it up, that shit don't sit well with me. Before I take a truce, I'll take them to hell with me. If that money got in the hands of a crash dummy, could jeopardize my family and burden the ones who love me. Nigga, they politically correct, I'ma do what I did. Ain't no subpoenas, but no power to carry it. 2025, they still moving on some scary shit. Tell them quit they job and pay the real niggas they severance. Don't insult my intelligence, I'm not just for my relatives. Okay, nigga, let's settle it. These niggas been fake loyal since y'all pandering to choose a side. Let me do it for you. Okay, fuck your hair. Nigga, little bitch niggas that exist with them this style. Exterminate them right now.
Where's the volume?
Woman is law. I know probably gonna work for them. And fuck whoever that's close to them. The niggas that cool, the niggas that being groomed. Slide on both of them. You ever eat Captain Crunch and proceeded to put water in it. Pulled over by the law. You run dirty so you can't argue with them to make it to be a star. Bare your soul and put your heart up in it. Well, I did. Work the murals out, but it ain't no legends if my legend is.
Hey, I'ma know 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to the light, hit them strictly with that fire.
If it was up to me, I wouldn't give these nobodies no sympathy. I'll take away the pain, I'll give you everything. I just wanna see this world. You know
When you ride it,
you're a star, baby you're a star. Strike pose when I'm with you, everything goes. Come and put that on my TT soul.
This is insane. It's insane in Illinois. I'm having to push the door with 5 fingers.
I really shouldn't be buying these. What are you looking for?
Did they run out? Dang, they went out. They ran out.
What was it?
So I'll press Kingo.
What kind of package was it in?
It's up there. What? Sour butt? What gum? What?
Gross. Hurry up.
I can buy something else?
$4? You buy something cheaper.
They ain't nothing cheaper. Cause I wanna buy this. There's more gum back here.
It's the same. It's just bubble. It's just bubble.
No, it's watermelon.
Watermelon. Bubble.
Drink?
You probably need cork off.
All right. No, I want me. Mom can buy it. Mom won't buy it. She will. Cat. She never agreed to that. We got a house. They pay rent. We got rent. They pay a house. What you talking about? Ah, it's cold. It's cold. It's cold. Hurry up. It's cold. Hurry up. It's cold. Hurry up. It's cold. Hurry up. It's cold. It's cold. Hurry up. It's cold. Hurry up. It's cold. All that ice. You fill the whole cup with ice. I don't have to. Whoa, that looks like some. That looks like. Okay. Never did that. That clicking got paste to it. What's this? Base.
Shouldn't all by play?
Watch. Base. Uh-oh.
Damn, she's short. Oh, did she hear me?
Who?
I said, damn, she's short. She heard me. She started smiling. Oh, my bad. There's no way she heard me.
Is she actually? Is Mom home? Mom gotta be home.
No, she ain't. I don't think so.
Where is she at? Huh?
It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that are rich, but it's not enough. Say bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on the ass. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I make niggas mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take a G-Pad. Watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music. Turn this TV off. Ain't Ass interference, padlock around the building, crash pulling up and no mark. It's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. Hey. Hey. Nigga gotta do it, got my foot up on the gas, but somebody gotta do it. Turn his TV off, turn his TV off. Turn his TV off, turn his TV off. Turn his TV off, turn his TV off. Turn his TV off, turn his. Ain't no other king in this rap thing than siblings. Nothing but my children. One shot, they disappearing. I'm in the city with a flag be getting thrown like it was pass interference. Padlock around the building. Credit pulling up in no mark truck just to play freeze tag. With a bone to pick like it was sea bass. So when I made it out, I made about 50K from a. Hey, Echo, turn it up! Yeah.
Hurry up!
Yeah. Tell me what we on, I'm on the same, but I hate them. Yeah, I feel the safest when the club let me bring Drake in. Why you wanna see it smile again? Ain't they facing? They don't know that they contribute to the violence every payment. Said she don't fuck around with 30, she just take 10. Think you gon' fuck with me for free, bitch, what you lace with? When all the smoke like a vape pen. Hold on, brother, chase him. Say my name, I pop up like the boogeyman. Fucking the game, I'm dropping bangers with no lick. Free my brother leak, I hate I'm putting money on your books again. Yeah. If you ain't never took a man, nigga, calm down. I know her, so I approached her with my palm out. Was on that on the LG in the county with songs. Yeah. Wrist taper, beat like rap with 50 niggas on it. Yeah. Hey, Echo, turn this beat off if I ain't tripping on it. Ain't making love to the juice, I'm just sipping on it. Not no full man without no fullies. Who got bitch? My wood cousin, don't swipe, I won't flick. I gave that bitch a 10. When it's a homicide, can't seem to shake them clips of horror. First time you pull up to AZ, got the switches for us. Stop bidding on your war stories, be a bitch more. Yeah, another hot flat, we need to clip some more. We up the most, you know that been a score. 2-1. Yeah. Brother, tell me what we on, I'm on the same shit. The death I plan for cuz ain't nice, blood, I hate them. I feel the safest when the club let me bring Drake in. Why you wanna see it smile again? Ain't they facing? They don't know that they contribute to the violence every payment. Said she don't fuck around with 30, she just take 10. Think you gon' fuck with me for free, bitch, what you lace with? When all the smoke like a vape pen. Hold on, brother, chase him. Say my name, I pop up like the boogeyman. Fucking the game, I'm dropping bangers with no lick. I hate I'm putting money on your books again. If you ain't never took a man, nigga, calm down. I know her, so I approached you with my palm out. Was on it on the LG in the county.
Whoa. Crazy quality. Well, anyway, that's the end of the video.
Are you going in? Because I'm not going in.
Where you going? Where you going? Where you going? You saying bye-bye?
I ain't trying to judge nobody.
You gonna say goodbye? Say bye, you too. I don't even rap, it's just a skill. When it's 10K, gon' get his bill. On me like Curry, I'm about to ball. I'm like Tyler, the Creator, I hope I don't fall.